quickly. Hold on a sec, please. Guys, if you do not understand something, if I'm going to quickly, if I skip a step, please let me know. The only step I'm going to skip is that right there because I just did it on the board. Other than that, I'm going to show all my work and be as careful as I can, okay? If something is not 100% clear, this is just an algebra question, that's all it is. Please interrupt me. Don't interrupt me, it's a bad way to put it. I'm sorry, I'm running on not enough sleep. Please gently ask for an answer, and I will gently help you, okay? Here we go. So I'm going to write my equation. M equals f of a plus h minus f of a all over h. I'm going to change this, as I said before, 2x minus 3x cubed. Okay? You can do it if you want to. Fox did his as negative 3x cubed plus 2x, and that's fine too. Either way works out for your answer. What this is going to turn into is then 2 times a plus h minus 3 a plus h cubed minus square bracket 2a minus 3a cubed all over h. Okay, are we good so far on the first step? Because this is the #1 way people make mistakes. Not good? Not good? Not good.
Very wrong.
Very wrong?
Very wrong.
Okay, what happened? Please talk.
Like, where that whole correct.
Okay. So what I did was I used this as my f of x here. So everywhere I saw an x, I changed it to a plus h. Okay, so I did 2x is now 2a plus h. 3x cubed is now 3a plus h cubed. Somebody say it a different way because that's not like it work. Can somebody say it a different way?
I got it. Throw the thoughts.
You're subbing in x from equation, so it's you sub in like fx, and you sub in the number for x, and then you sub it into the equation too. So because the fx is fa plus h, every time there's an x, you put in a plus h.
Yeah, we'll just ignore this for right now. Like we're just doing this here, right? So this is x, good explanation. So 2x turns to 2a plus h. Negative 3x cubed is negative 3a plus h cubed. On the right-hand side then was 2x minus 3x cubed is now 2a minus 3a cubed. That's f of a. Right.
No.
So,
It did for me too.
okay.
A plus h is your x.
We're not. You should be a teacher one day. Just throw it right after a plus h is x. There you go. Okay. Now, as I said, I'm going to skip the one step here. I'm going to call that, I'm just going to expand that out. So that's 2a plus 2h minus 3 bracket. I'm going to use right what's written on the board. A cubed plus 3a squared h plus 3, and one next board, ah squared plus h cubed. Do that minus 2a plus 2 plus 3a cubed. Now, there's someone at this point or pretty soon, they were unhappy with this question because they said very little canceled out. Okay? I still have a little bit of rearranging left to do. This is something you got to be thinking about. What are the only 2 things that are going to cancel? It's very important. Go ahead.
The f of a, so it would be the negative 2a and plus 3.
Very good. This is the only thing that's going to cancel. So because this equation was not simple, because there's a cubic, right? Because there's only 2 terms in the equation, there's only going to be 2 terms from left to cancel. All right, that's just something to keep in your mind when you're going through there. I'm going to hopefully simplify this if I can. I'll go down a little bit. Okay, so it's going to be 2a plus 2h minus 3a cubed minus 9a squared h minus 9ah squared minus h cubed minus 2a plus 3a cubed all over h. I'm sorry. There is. Okay, please be brave and ask. Don't just sit there stewing. Okay, please be brave and ask. I know this isn't easy, I'm not gonna say this is easy, it's just good, solid algebra, okay, I'm gonna keep bugging you guys with this over here. Okay, this is messy, I don't think I can, what's the only thing I can do to make this look nicer? This is the disheartening part. Oh, and what's the only thing I can do?
Cancel up the 2a, -2a, and then -3.
And that's it, right? And that's sort of saying, oh man, that hardly did anything, but it did a huge amount, okay? I'm gonna call that then 2h. Yeah.
You missed the 3 on the -3.
Thank you very much. That would have hurt me in about 10 minutes of instead. Thank you very much. 3aq. So that's going to be 2h minus 9a squared h minus 9ah squared minus 3h cubed all over h. Okay, why am I happy? I'm always happy. Why am I happy? Go ahead. You divide by h, right? The problem is, remember, you have dividing by 0, which we don't want. So see here, we're dividing by h, we're happy again. So this is going to be then 2, let's not call that m, equals 2 minus 9a squared minus 9ah minus 3h squared. There's my equation, 4 minus. Now, people were saying everyone got a different answer. Okay, there's a lot of people. Did anyone get to that? One person, good. 2 people, okay, 4, 5. Half the class, okay, that's good. You all the slow hand raisers. That's good though. Okay? Now, let's get the act real quick, because this isn't easy. I'm not going to come and say this easy. You just got to focus on what you're doing step by step, okay? As far as finishing it off, which one point do I give you? -2? -1. -1. So, Foxton, what do you sub in here?
-1.
4.
8.
What does h sub in for?
0.
H is 0, good. So I'm going to sub in a equals -1, h equals 0. So m is going to be 2 minus 9 times -1 squared minus 9 times -1 times 0 minus 3 times 0 squared, which is equal to -7. Is that right? Just everything on the right side just canceled out. Anything from 0, h just canceled out. You want another one to try? I can do it. I'll put another one. How much time is that? We got 12 minutes. We got time for it. You want to plug out again? Plug out again? Oh, yes, I will. Well, I haven't decided. I'm perfectly honest. I haven't taught this course before. So, either we'll see. I'll do my timing this weekend. If I do, it'll be something nice. It'll be just a nice cubic. Okay, here we go. A nice cubic. Yes, there is such a thing as a nice cubic. Right. Here we go. You want quadratic? I'll pick my favorite quadratic. C. Find instantaneous. Okay, I'm going to hit pause on the board. I'm not giving you any homework tonight, although I probably should on. There is a question in the textbook on long division.